And then in lane number 2, the Turks and Caicos Islands.
Their great hero, Delano Williams, World Junior 200 champion in 2012.
On your marks.
Final of the under-20 girls 4x400. The 400 hurdles champion, Safia Hines, leading off the Jamaicans. Turks and Caicos on the inside.
Set.
Final girls event of Carifta 49 here in Kingston, Jamaica, the 4x400. Very good start for the British Virgin Islands. They have Krista Aristi on the opening leg. Outstanding competitor Aristi, a 400 silver medalist at the under 17 level in 2019. But the Jamaican Safia Hines comes right up to her, the 400 hurdles champion, and they go to battle.
Has been in great form this season. Hines comes past the BVI and hits into the straight through the lead. A fight back for Aristi in the blue and the red.
The British Virgin Islands athlete, Krista Aristi, responds and powers away from Safia Hines and gives the Bermudans the lead. And gives the British Virgin Islands the lead, sorry. Jamaica in second position. The rest left well back. Bermuda, down the back stretch they go.
Anika Mackenough chasing for Jamaica, and the BVI put the pedal to the metal here on the second leg.
BVI and Jamaica. The Jamaicans with Mackenough under pressure though. This is a strong leg for the BVI, but Mackenough edges ahead for the Jamaicans and moves further away in the closing stages. The Jamaicans have Shaquilia Green, 400 hurdles medalist on this leg.
Mackenough 52-4 pulled Jamaica's fat out of the fire with a determined second leg.
Green pumping down the backstretch. British Virgin Islands back in second position. No Kalia Kelly, the 400 champion for the Jamaicans, remember. And so they have an 800 runner on the anchor leg. But it's a big lead that she will have. And it will take something special to catch her. Shaquilia Green produces a fine penultimate leg in the under-20 girls 4x4. And now Roshana Dwyer has the baton. She gets a chance to leave Carifta in a blaze of relay glory.
55-6 for Green on the third leg. Dwyer comfortable on the backstretch.
A little bit of redemption, you can say, Hubert, trying to get this goal, trying to get this medal, because one was denied her earlier.
Roshana Dwyer for Jamaica. British Virgin Islands well beaten now. They're way back in second position. Bermuda, I think, in third. Dwyer turns for home. Glances back. But she's well clear. Roshana Dwyer closes her Carifta career in relay glory. A golden moment, 3:31.85 on the clock.
3:36.9,
yeah, no
54
way.
flat for Roshana Dwyer to close out her Carifta campaign.
No way that was 3:31. Clock stopped early. There is confirmation. The Jamaicans strike gold. 7 out of 7 in the relays for the black, green and gold. The Bahamians coming across the line now.
The women's under 24 by 400 meters relay at the 2021 Carifta Games was a thrilling spectacle that once again highlighted Jamaica's superiority in athletics. Taking place in Kingston, Jamaica, The event showcased strong efforts from several nations, but the Jamaican squad remained unrivaled, clinching another well-earned gold medal. The final race featured teams from Trinidad and Tobago in Lane 8, the Bahamas in Lane 6, the British Virgin Islands, BVI, in Lane 5, Jamaica in Lane 4, and the Turks and Caicos Islands in Lane 2. The BVI started with great energy, aiming to take on the favorites. Akrisa Ariste, a former silver medalist in the under-17 400 meters in 2019, led with an impressive first leg that put her team ahead early. Yet, Jamaica's Safia Hines, then the reigning 400-meter hurdles champion, quickly countered, narrowing the gap and overtaking her rival before the baton passed. As the race progressed, the showdown between Jamaica and the BVI grew fiercer. The BVI launched a strong attack during the second leg, but Jamaica's Anna Makov kept her cool and steadily reclaimed the lead, even expanding it by the end of her leg. On the third stretch, Shaquille Green, a decorated 400-meter hurdler, further extended Jamaica's lead, tightening their hold on the race. By then, the Jamaican team was in full control, heading toward a dominant conclusion. For the anchor leg, Jamaica entrusted Nokia Kelly, an experienced 400-meter specialist, to finish the job. Running with evident confidence, she held a secure lead while the BVI and Bermuda fought for second and third. With Kelly powering through the final meters, Jamaica's victory was never in doubt. She crossed the line in an excellent 3 minutes and 36.81 seconds, securing yet another gold for the Jamaican relay team. Jamaica's stronghold on the Carifta Games is no surprise, especially in sprint and middle-distance disciplines. The island continues to develop elite-level sprinters, and the 4x400 relay serves as proof of their prowess. Many credit their dominance to rigorous coaching, a national love for the sport, and perhaps even cultural influences like traditional nutrition. Regardless of the cause, one clear reason stands out. Jamaica's athletes devote themselves to relentless practice and discipline to reach the top. Looking to the future, Jamaican track and field shows no signs of slowing down. A new wave of young, talented athletes is emerging, poised to follow in the footsteps of legends like Shelly Ann Fraser-Price. With the right support and guidance, these rising stars are well positioned to continue the country's winning legacy. The torch is being passed, and the path ahead looks promising. As the 2025 track season unfolds, fans can expect another exciting chapter in the Jamaican athletic story. With major competitions already underway, all eyes are on the next generation of sprinters to see how they perform on the international stage. One thing is certain, Jamaica remains a dominant force in the sport, and their relay teams will continue to be tough contenders. For those tracking the rise of these young athletes, keeping up with their journey is crucial. With significant events on the horizon, the global audience will be eager to witness whether Jamaica can maintain its famed status as the sprinting capital of the world. The 2021 Carifta Games served as yet another reminder of Jamaica's enduring strength, and many more triumphs are undoubtedly on the way.